Very good evening. Myself Janardhan Singh, and I am here to present the our assignment topic. Here we have to represent the or the solve the question on the MS Excel, in which I have to show the I now I will show what was the question we have to be solved in the MS Excel. That is according to the my roll number at the end is 2, and by which I have to solve question number 2 and 3. This is video for question number 2, where I have to explain the question by solving it on the MS Excel. So the question is that here we have the store and the regional sales database, in which we have to give the mm, explorer of the total revenue, sales revenue by the probate chart. So let's begin. The question is this. Now I am doing the videos, making the video, come to further making to the videos. Now let us start. That's see this we have a one database of a sales and the business database, where we have the ID, the store number, the sales region, where the south, east, north, west, and item number with item descriptions, unit price, unit sold, total sales, or weekly ending. Now, for the according to the need of our question, we need a revenue column where we get here we will write revenue. Then we use formula of using is equal to. Then we add this unit sold to unit price, and then unit sold is F4 into we use multiplication side, and the unit sold this G4. Then we press enter. Then we get a one revenue, where when we drag it to the all the data to the lower data, then we get the exact figure. Then here you can see we get the figure. Now we have to make it. Then we point out the ID this column A3. Then we press Control plus Shift, and then we use the right arrow to select it. Then the downside. Then we select all the database for the our. Then we go to Insert. Here with the pivot table, we then this command is coming, where we have to command the existing worksheet, and then we give the one location to the that where the pivot table will be come out. Then we press OK. Then here the one more command is coming, where we have to place store the column or the rows with the inputs in the column rows and the values. Now we filter first store number on the row side. Then we place it there, and then the sales region in the column side. Here like we post, and then now we need revenue. Revenue should be placed in value. Now the pivot table is complete, where we can see it. We cut it. Then we see this the pivot table, where we use the formula of the we can see this row levels east, and with east, north, south. Here the all the revenues, where the total sales, sum of revenues, and its grand total, and its grand total. This is all about the question number 2, where we have to show the sales according to the question, like the question store and the regional sales database. Here we modify the spreadsheet to calculate the total sales revenue for the each 8 stores, as well as to 3 sales region. Here we show everything. Now this is from my side for the question number 2. I will meet in next video with question number 3, where I explain all the for steps which is necessary to to solve the question number 3. So thank you. Have a nice day.